The Chinese have done it again. First it was DeepSeek, now it's Seedream by ByteDance. What is Seedream? Seedream is the model that's wiping the floor with Nano Banana. What makes Seedream stand out is this. Does generation images and edits images in 4K and keeps characters consistent. That's great. Second, it has batch input and output, prompt-based editing, versatile styles, knowledge-driven generation, model performance, which is this. The best way is to actually see it and test it than to read all of this. Well, to test it and coincidentally to use it for free, just go to LM Arena, just search that, enter here, and you'll have a couple of options. Go to battle. As you can see, you have battle, side by side, direct chat. Direct chat if you want to use the model for free and only that model. But since we're going to test it and compare it to Nano Banana, we're going to choose side by side. Next, what you need to do is just enable the image models. How to do that? Just go to here, generate images, and you will see here. Already it has Flash, Nano Banana here, and let's go to Seedream. So Seedream 4, as you can see, we have this image and this image. Now we're gonna run through a couple of tests and see the results of each. So first is the generation. I want an image of an ultra-realistic cat in space. Don't worry about this, just telling you not to give personal information. So ultra-realistic cat in space, let's go. Agree, and there we go. Now they're both done. Flash Nano Banana is faster, but honestly, the quality of Seedream is way better and worth the wait. It's not faster by like minutes, it's just a couple of seconds. So as you can see, I mean, it's alright, but this is a masterpiece, to be honest. I like it a lot. So that's the generation 1 point to Seedream. On to the next. So for the next test, we're gonna do deblur and upscale an image. So the image I decided to go with is, let's go to images here, and this one. As you can see, it's really blurry and it's kinda low resolution. So it's perfect for us. We just copied this image, go back to LM Arena. Let's start a new chat to make it equal to all. Alright? So we just paste the image and we tell it this. So I just thought of this, deblur this image and make it high resolution 4K. And let's go. Agree again. And they're done. Oh my god, Nano Banana didn't even try. I mean, come on, what the hell is this? I think it made it even worse. But on the other hand, Seedream, wow, as you can see, amazing job. And it's the same too. Like, so it's consistent, it's deblurred, it's high resolution, Nano Banana. Come on, man, you just lost this. 2 points to Seedream. On to the next. So the next is consistency in different camera angles. To do this, well, let's take our image. I went to Google again, horses, I like horses, and let's, I don't know, pick this one. Just copy this image, go back to LM Arena, new chat to make it even, and paste it in. So for the prompt, I told it high resolution variations, 4 of them, of this reference image, which is the horse, with different camera angles. Now let's just let it fly. So agree again, and it will go. There you go. Just took a bit of time to upload the image, and they're spinning. And oh my god, Nano Banana just gave up entirely. He's saying, screw this video, I'm not gonna be part of it. As you can see, it didn't follow the prompt at all, and at least it's a variation, I think, of the horse, but Seedream, oh my god, look at this. Consistent horse, 4 variation, 4 different camera angles, top down, in front, side by side. This is amazing. To be honest, guys, 4 points, 1 point for each image. And the final test, we're gonna color a black and white image. To do that, what better way than to go to a manga? So let's go to Google, search for Berserk, my favorite manga. Just take this for example. Alright, this is, guys, as you can see, black and white. There could be some details in there. This is a perfect image. Just copy it and go to Marina, a new chat, of course, and we give it this image and say color. And we let spin. Of course, agree. Always log in. And what's this? Nano Banana actually followed my prompt and did a good job. Well, color me a purse. It's a good job. You know, I like this recolor, but I like this one even more. It's got richer colors, deeper colors, and overall, it's much more amazing in my opinion. I like it. So I give this point to Seedream, but it could have been a tie. And that is, guys, how you can use Seedream for free, and it's tested against its competitor Nano Banana. If you want to use it for free, just go to LM Arena, go direct chat, pick this one, Seedream, and generate a flower, for example. Agree? And as you can see, amazing job, China. Thank you for the new model. So that has been it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And goodbye.